Okay, we finished the cleaning. All the bathrooms are clean. Everything is done. It's beautiful, everything. In this house we did all ceiling fans top to bottom. I have the machine of the tile cleaning and carpet cleaning outside. We already steamed the carpets. All the tile, we clean all the tile. We clean all the kitchen. Did you check the oven? It was beautiful.
Oh, it's good. I told my daughter it looks like a new stove.
Yeah, and the towel came really nice. Everything is good. I'm recording after the cleaning.
Oh, you did an excellent job.
Thank you, ma'am. I really appreciate your comment.
Because I thought, this carpet looked like it was that.
Yes, I don't want to. Let me check. I have my booties. What's the light? But the client already told me that she is satisfied with our services, and I'm really happy with the crew. We cleaned the windows and the double ceiling. Everything.
Yes.
Ma'am, thank you.
Oh, it was a pleasure doing business with you.
Thank you. If you
I will call when we need somebody. $150 sounds pretty reasonable to me.
yes, just check it out with the towels and linens.
Yes.
That's because if no, I have to charge a little bit more.
I know.
Okay?
I know.
Thank you. If you have the chance to recommend us, please do it.
Okay, I certainly will.
Thank you. The tiles. Awesome. Historic. Really neat. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. We are leaving now, okay?